Welcome to the tutorial on printing, saving and sharing maps. In this tutorial we'll look at creating a printable map, saving your map display settings and sharing your map with other users. Printable maps are created using a predefined template. First, prepare your map by having it set to the required extent with your required layers turned on. Then select the printer icon on the lower left side of the interface. A preview of the printable map appears where you can adjust a number of settings including page orientation, page size as A3 or A4, 2D, 3D or 360-degree views, legend content, resolution, set the coordinate system to latitude, longitude or map grid of Australia, and scale. On the map surrounds you can also add a title and subtitle. On the map face you can adjust the extent, position and orientation if required by unlocking the map and then using the navigation tools. The additional data button at the bottom left of the screen can be clicked to view the legend, add notes and view attribute information. Click Map Preview to return to the map template. Finally, press the Print button to save a PDF or PNG file that can then be sent to your printer. When finished, close the browser window. To access the Save and Share functions, first ensure you're logged in to the application. Click on the Login or Sign Up button to reveal a range of account options, including Twitter, Google, Facebook, ArcGIS Online, QGov and a network option available for some Queensland Government workers. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up and create a free account with one of the providers. Once you have an account with a provider, log in to the application. You can confirm you're logged in by viewing your name in the top right corner. Clicking on your name also provides options to update your account details or sign out. We'll now look at saving and sharing. Saving your map is a way to retain all your display settings for use at a later date. To save a map, go to Maps and click on Save As. Enter a map name, noting the option to include any places that you've created. Finally, click on OK to save the map. Note it appears in your map list along with all other maps you've saved. If other saved maps are available, they can be opened by clicking on the grey icon beside the map name. If the map is altered in any way, the icon beside the map name will turn orange, indicating that it's being edited. You can then have the option to save the edits or save as a new map. To share a map, click on the down arrow beside the map name, then click on the Share button. Enter a map name and check the box if you wish to include your place's data. Click Next and the new web address for your map appears. Click Copy to place this address on the clipboard for later use. Or share using the options listed including Facebook, Twitter and email. Take note that this link will remain active for 30 days and users that receive the shared map link can save it to their own profile to keep indefinitely. This concludes the tutorial. If you would like more detailed information, please check the FAQs and other tutorials in this series.